Welcome to a new episode of my Linux driver tutorial. Today I want to show you how to create procfs entries from a Linux kernel module. But first let's talk about what is procfs. So procfs stands for Process Filesystem, and it is a virtual file system on every Unix machine. And on Linux it's mounted to /proc. So this is the content of the procfs. And you can see here we have a lot of folder with a number as a name, and all of these folders represents a running process on the system. This means every process has a folder with its process ID as a folder name in here, and inside this folder are some information about the process. And I already told you procfs is a virtual file system, so this means this content here is only there while the system is up and running. If you shut down your PC or my Raspberry Pi in this case and insert the SD card into my PC and look at the SD card and look at /proc, the folder here would be empty because the files here only exists during the operating system is running. Okay, so on one side we have all these folders here with the process information, but we can also get some hardware information about the procfs. For example, when I take a look at proc CPU info, I can get some information about the CPU I'm using, how much cores I have available, the cache size, and so on and so forth. And for example, at proc meminfo, I will get some information about the DRAM used on my system. Okay, cool. But in today's video I want to show you how to create custom entries in procfs with a kernel module. So what I will do is I will create a kernel module, and this kernel module will create a folder called hello and a file called dummy in this folder, and I want to implement some read and write callbacks. And to make it a little bit more easier and make this video a little bit shorter, I have already prepared something. So when I go into my programming Linux Kernel driver tutorials folder, you can already see here I've created a folder called 18 procfs, and let's see into it and look what's in there. So here we have a make file to build the kernel module and a source file for our kernel module called procfs test. And let's open this up. So you can see here it's just a really bare metal Linux kernel module. Up here I already have implemented a read callback for which I will use later, and the arguments and return value is just like the one from the device from device file callbacks. So the arguments are the same, and all we are doing here is I have a string up here, and when a read is called I will copy this string from Kernelspace to userspace. So every time I read from this I will get hello from a procfs file, and at the write callback I have a string here. I'm setting the string to 0. Here I'm copying the string from userspace to Kernelspace, and down here I'm printing the string out to the kernel's log. So that's about it. And the init and the exit function are empty right now, so we have to fill them with some live. Okay, so the first thing we will need is we will need the following header to use the procfs functions. We'll need the header linux /proc_fs. Okay, and then I will create some global variables for procfs folder and file. Static, so the type is static struct proc dir entry, and it will be a pointer, and I will call it proc folder because I will use one folder, and the second entry will be a file. And nevertheless, if it's a file or a folder, it all uses the struct proc dir entry. Okay, so up here we have our callbacks. So now so later we have to pass the callbacks at the function where we create a file, and for this we will need a file operation struct, and the struct is called here procfs, and I will call it file operations. And here the read function, for the read function I have to type proc read, and I will set it to my read, and of course I have to do the same for proc write, and I want to call the callback function my write, which is up here. Okay, great. So now let's try to create the entries. So what I want to do is I want to create the following entry. I want to create proc hello as a folder, and the file should be named dummy. So let's create this. Okay, let's start with the folder. So proc folder equal to proc make directory. This is quite simple. The first argument is the name of the folder, which will be hello, and the second one will be where I want to put the folder. And as I want to put it into /proc, which is the standard path, I can set this to null here. And if this succeeds, I will have a pointer which is not equal to 0 here. But if proc folder is equal to 0, there was not enough memory to create this file, and this is bad. So we'll print out proc fs test error creating proc hello, and I will return error no memory. And to create the file, I have to call proc create function. The first argument is the file name, which is dummy. The second argument is the access rights as an octal string, and I will give everyone the access to read and write to this file. The next argument is where I want to put this. So if I would type null, the file would be created under proc dummy, but as I want to create it in the folder proc hello, I will pass the folder pointer here. And the last argument is a pointer to my file operations. Okay. And yeah, now I can copy these 4 lines here. If file equals to null, proc error creating hello dummy. And of course I have to remove, so proc remove, I have to remove the folder if I quit from this kernel module. So proc folder, and I will return error no memory. And in case everything could be created, I will just print out procfs test created proc hello dummy. Okay, and of course in the cleanup, yeah, this is quite simple now. Oh, here I have a typo. And up here, and up here. Okay, so I will type removing, and I will first remove the file and then the folder, and this should be the cleanup. Okay, so much for the kernel module. Now let's try to build it, and let's see how much mistakes I've made. Okay, just a typo here in line 80. Okay, let's try to build it again. So this looks good. Let's try to insert the module. So procfs test ko. Okay, so now if I look at the kernel's log, I should see, yeah, this was created. Let's see if it's actually there. So here we have the folder hello, yeah, and we have the file dummy in it. And if we check the access right, all users have have the rights to read and write to this file. So let's write to this file, hello from userspace. And I will write this to proc hello dummy. So let's check the kernels log again. Yeah, you have written hello from userspace to me. Great, this works. And now let's try the reading part. So cat proc hello dummy. And I will want to just, let's read it 3 times. Yeah, and I always get hello from our procfs file. Okay, great. And if I remove the module, procfs test, and if I check in proc, so there is no longer a hello folder. So if I'm doing this, no such file directory, so it was removed correctly. Okay, great. So that's how to use the process file systems in Linux. I hope you've learned something and enjoyed the video. In case you want to support me, you can buy me a coffee on buymeacoffee.com/JohannesForLinux. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye!